Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to blend colors smoothly with oil pastels. In this video, I am telling you 3 ways and 4 tips for blending colors. So let's start. You can use any artistic paper. First apply one color of oil pastel directly onto your canvas. I am applying dark color first and then light color. Apply the color like this. The first way for blending is soft tissue paper. Fold the tissue paper and start blending like this. Here I am also starting with dark color. Blending with light color first will not work because there will be harsh line between the colors. By blending dark to light, you can create a smooth transition between colors. For second method, applying color like previously. In this method, I am using cotton for blending. By using cotton, you will get smooth blending. If you are getting any harsh line, then apply white color and start blending. For third method, applying the colors. In this method, I am using fingertip for blending. It is quicker to blend with your fingers. When using your finger, remember to wash or wipe your hands frequently. It will remove pigment and prevent blending the wrong colors together. Or you may wish to wear rubber gloves. For smaller areas, you may use cotton buds like this. Here are 3 different backgrounds by 3 different ways and 4 tips that I already told you. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like and share this video.